On March 18, 2025, a routine traffic stop for a simple stop sign violation spiraled into a high-stakes narcotics bust when the driver, Jamal, claimed he was just a passenger, and things only got more suspicious from there.
Reason why I pulled driver 1, okay? Speeding, 2, stop sign back there, okay? Do you have a driver's license with you?
You alright?
Yeah, I'm irritated.
What's wrong? What's irritating?
We were stopped.
He pulled you over.
Here, I'm a passenger. Y'all shouldn't be talking to me.
Can I have your driver's license?
We stopped.
Regardless, you're on a public roadway and I can pull a traffic stop. I'm not gonna go back and forth. Do you have a driver's license with you? Yes or no? Do you have a driver's license with you, man? So are you suspended or revoked, or you got a good license? Because here, once I run you, I'm gonna find out if you're suspended or revoked. So are you suspended or revoked? Which one is it? You don't know? I got a job to do, man. What's your first name?
Let me give you my ID, bro.
Okay, if you have an ID, I'll take it, dude. Which one is it? You don't know? Okay.
I will stop, though. Come on.
You will stop? Okay. Well, I still gotta do my job, right? I still gotta do all my stuff. We can talk about that in a second. Just be cool with me, okay?
Yeah, we can still talk to you though.
But I don't have to talk to you now.
Yeah, no, I think that I've been decent with you at least, right?
Yeah, you have. I know the law, I know.
No, I don't even know what he stopped you for.
Just hang out here. Hang out tight for me, okay?
The officer returned to the car, moving from a simple citation to a full investigation of Jamal and his vehicle.
You wanna go and step out for me, man? You can leave your phone inside.
Alright, let me get my wallet.
Here, you can leave your wallet, everything inside.
You new? Are you new working?
I've been here 2 years.
Hey, stop moving so...
I'm asking a question.
Something wrong with you, bro.
Because I'm irritated.
Hey,
all I need.
that's fine. Just leave it right there.
What happened? What's going on?
That's all. We'll talk about it once you step out the car. Get your around face car.
Hold on.
No, face here. Don't start reaching.
No,
I know. Here,
all I'm
here.
doing.
Stuff, okay?
I ain't reaching for nothing, bro.
Why is your pants undone?
Bro, I ain't got nothing on me, bro.
That's fine.
All I want to do is just button my pants up, bro.
That's fine.
That's
all I
want to do.
Here, let's step back here. 2.
Alright, I'm sitting
Okay,
right here.
turn around face car for you. This one. Here, relax.
All I want to do is just button.
Okay, here. I'll let you. Listen, I'm being respectful, man, but you're doing a lot here. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. I'll talk to you in a second.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put this one behind your back. See here. Put your hands behind your back. Okay.
Is it a traffic point or what?
No, I'll talk to you in a second. Hey, Bree, can you come back here?
Hold on, man. Look. Bro, you make me feel like I got money.
Stay in the car. Get your hand out of your...
I'm telling you, stop reaching.
Just relax, man. Just relax, man.
I got my money, bro.
Okay, I'll get your money.
If it's your money, it's just relax, dude.
Hands behind
All
your
I
back.
wanted was my money, bro.
Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
hand, dude.
That's it. Give me the other hand.
Here.
While arresting Jamal, officers found drug notebooks and a confession that he was hiding crack cocaine on his person.
My money, bro. That's it. 500-600. That's it.
Get her out and put her in handcuffs. Dude, why?
This is my money, bro. That's it.
Money? No one's gonna take your money.
I was making sure that it wasn't, you ain't see me. Sure enough, I ain't went nowhere. If I was I would have ran with this.
You're under arrest right now, for 1, for revoked, 2,
Bro,
for
I was
resisting.
sitting down, bro. You pulled me over, I was already sitting down. I was, bro. Come on, don't. I was, bro.
We will talk about it.
I had my money, bro.
That's fine.
See, bro. I know, bro.
And then you...
Yeah, what?
Hey, just sit back.
Alright, dude, hey. It's just, no, you're good. You're good. You're good. Here, listen to me. I'm gonna read your rights, okay? And then we can talk. But you made this a lot more difficult than it needed to be. Simple traffic stop. You're driving revoked. That's literally what it could have been. You know what would have happened?
Gun in his boot.
Yeah.
It's like crack. Or no?
But now you're gonna go to jail for resisting.
I wasn't resisting, bro. I wasn't trying to run, bro.
But why reach into your pants, bro? No one's gonna take your money. Did I show you anything that was gonna take your money? I'm not known to take anyone's money. Alright, here, talk to me. Is there anything in the car, man? Any illegal contrabands? Is there any dope in there? No?
No.
There's nothing in there? McCall, is there anything inside the vehicle that I should be aware of? Yes?
Nothing.
Nothing? There's no weed in the car?
No weed, bro.
No weed? No methamphetamine? Can I search the car?
Yes, sir.
The passenger confessed that Jamal hid the crack cocaine inside his body after she refused to hide it for him.
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna go back to the PD. I'm gonna check inside your pants because that's what you were reaching for. Okay, that's fine. Or you want to do it here?
You do it.
I know you got something in your pants.
All right, here, go ahead, check.
We're gonna actually go back to the PD. We'll do that there.
Just check me, bro. Just check. I'll take all my clothes off right now. Everything off right now.
You'll take off your clothes, everything
Right now, bro. Right now, bro.
You ain't got anything in your pants?
Nothing in... Man, bro, I just want to show you, bro.
Well, I'm not gonna strip search you on the side of the road.
Bro,
So,
you feel something in my pants? Bro, what you feel in my pants, bro? Whatever you feel in my pants, grab it, bro.
that's fine. Here.
Get the hell out of here, bro. You should have went on the ground, Aki?
What's up?
You sure that went on the ground, Aki?
That wasn't on the ground?
You sure it went on the ground?
That's fine. Here.
Aki! Who?
The little baggie that fell out of your shoes, that the only thing you got?
What baggie?
Okay, dude, come on, man. Now you're playing games with me.
You said a baggie fell out?
Yep. You
Get the
even
f*** out of it.
left a piece of it in your shoes in here. Kick your foot in.
Aki!
Yep, I'll talk to you. Here. I'll come and talk to you, dude.
After finding her heroin, the passenger admitted she bought it from Jamal, leading the officer back to the car to dismantle his secret drug compartments.
Hey, so here's what's gonna happen, okay? Your car's gonna get towed. It's gonna have an investigative hold on it. We're gonna literally tear your car apart because there's definitely something in that car. Take it apart. There's so many.
Bro, I just bought that car, bro.
Just like that? There's no way you bought that car just like that.
I just bought that
There's
car,
no
bro.
way. You bought the car a month ago, but it was not like that.
I might seem like I'm lying right now, bro, but that's how I bought the car, bro. That's how I bought the car.
There's so many hidden freaking traps in that car. All those traps is consistent with someone who's literally moving narcotics, giving you the opportunity.
I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna put,
Okay.
look, I ain't even gonna lie, I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro.
And I want you to be honest. I don't want you to lie to me.
I swear to you, bro, I just bought that car.
You just bought that car?
Yes.
I'm asking you because there's something in that car, and I know there is. Listen.
Ain't nothing in that car, bro.
Now you're lying.
Bro, listen, bro.
Listen. Yep.
Listen.
Okay.
Listen, bro.
Either in his butt or pocket.
No gay stuff. I will show you my behind, bro. And I'll show you ain't nothing in my behind, bro.
I don't believe you, dude.
I will show you my behind. No homo.
Okay. We go about our business.
You know I had something on me?
Yeah, bro. Come on.
So I'm going to jail?
You are going to go to jail. Yep.
For what?
Resisting, driving revoked, possession,
Bro,
control. So, that's it. Kick your foot in.
The date was March 18, 2025, and at 4:25 p.m., a routine stop for speeding and running a stop sign quickly evolved into a high-stakes narcotics investigation. The driver, Jamal, immediately raised suspicions by claiming to be a passenger and failing to produce a license. As officers moved to search him, Jamal became physically combative, reaching into his clothing and struggling with police. While he claimed he was just securing his money, a search of the vehicle told a different story. Officers discovered hidden compartments and notebooks detailing chemical components for stimulant plants. The breakthrough came when the female passenger confessed that Jamal had hidden crack cocaine in his body and revealed she had purchased heroin from him. Despite his denials, Jamal was arrested and charged with possession with intent to deliver, resisting arrest, and driving with a revoked license. Given his violent history and past drug charges, Jamal's day ended with a one-way trip back to jail. Subscribe for more videos and witness the frontline fight against crime with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new high-stakes investigation.